Experiencing a Tyre Sensors Not Detected message on your 2014 Ford Kuga? This indicates a problem with your tire pressure monitoring system. The TPMS uses sensors in each wheel to transmit pressure data to your car's computer. This fault commonly arises from dead sensor batteries, lasting 5 to 7 years, sensor damage due to impacts or corrosion, or occasional computer glitches. Because your 2014 Kuga is nearing end-of-life support, finding the correct solution is important. A low sensor battery below 2.1 volts is the most frequent culprit and often appears on high-mileage vehicles. Driving with underinflated tires can reduce fuel efficiency and increase accident risk, making this a critical issue to address. Start by visually inspecting your tires for any damage and ensuring they're properly inflated. Check for cuts, bulges, or uneven wear, and verify pressure with a gauge. If inspection shows no obvious issues, try resetting the TPMS system. For your 2014 Kuga's direct system, use an OBD2 scanner to clear fault codes and enter train mode. After resetting, drive the vehicle above 25 miles per hour for a short distance to allow the sensors to reprogram themselves with the new settings. If the problem persists after reset, sensor replacement is likely needed. Aftermarket sensors cost $50 to $100 each, plus installation fees. DIY battery replacements are possible but require specialized tools and experience. Use tools like those in the TPMS Center Kit for proper installation. Regular sensor checks and proactive battery swaps can prevent future TPMS issues and maintain system reliability.